Hey guys, we received this eco-friendly blue crystal bracelet for men and women for test and try. It's a blue apatite and aventurine natural stone beads. Sustainable and calming yoga or any other purpose you want to use it for. But the thing is, it comes in a very nice box. First of all, very protective, and you can also give it as a gift. And this one is a cleaning or the polishing cloth and comes with some accessories and also like the stretch band and charm. So let me just open this bracelet. So this is a blue aventurine quartz that is aligning. This is, good for your body. And then the stretchy band inside, as you can see, so you can easily stretch and wear. And there's a blue apatite, which is a clear and help in almost many other things. So this feels really smooth, and I don't see any pinching of the hair or something like that, or the biting. And then stretch band is also nice, holds well on the hand. And as you can see, this each bead is very nice rounded, 12 mm or 10 mm around. Can be wear by anyone, handmade, and very helpful in things. You can also just clean and polish this once and then use it. Around 15 centimeter in the diameter and comes with this extra things that you can enhance or you know just change whenever you want to. And the stretchy bands, the other things as well. So overall, a very nice bracelet, looks very natural and pure, and then help in many other aspects of your life or your body, and help in your things.